How to change background in Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the background in Canva. Let's say you have made a logo and you're not satisfied about the background, then this video is for you. So I will create a logo. So here we have a logo and you think, this is not what I want. There is a really easy way to change the background. What you want to do is go to the left menu and scroll down. And here you find the background. If you don't have the background on the left, you can click on apps over here. You can search for background and here you find background. You just want to click on it and there are lots of results, a lot of templates you can use as a background. Let's say we want a little more party-like. Just click on it and here you go. The background has changed. You can do this for all kinds of ways. Just click on it and it will automatically change the background. But if you want to search for a certain thing, you can go to the bar over here and you can search the background you want. Let's say I want it to be in the party mood, so I'll type in party, click on enter and wait. As you can see, I've got all kinds of results here and I can just click the one I desire. And that is how you can change your background. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.